Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to insert, edit, and manage newsletter images and GIFs with MailerLite. If you're creating email campaigns, having organized, polished visuals can make all the difference in engaging your subscribers. So let's walk through how to upload, organize, and customize your media files step by step. First, open your browser and head over to MailerLite.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. After signing in, you'll land on the MailerLite dashboard, which is your central hub for managing campaigns, subscribers, and media. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a navigation panel with several options. Go ahead and click on File Manager. This is where all your uploaded images and GIFs live, and it's the starting point for organizing your visual content. Once you're inside the File Manager, look for the Upload button and click it. This will open a dialog box allowing you to browse your computer for the files you want to add. Select the images and GIFs you'd like to insert into your newsletters. You can choose multiple files at once to speed up the process. After selecting your files, confirm the upload and then wait until the upload is done. Depending on the size and number of files, this might take a moment, so just let MailerLite process everything before moving on. Now that your images and GIFs are uploaded, let's talk about managing them effectively. At the top of the File Manager, you'll notice a drop-down menu. Click on it and you'll see options like Date Uploaded, Name, or Size. This allows you to sort your media in a way that makes the most sense for your workflow. Whether you want to see your newest uploads first or organize alphabetically, this feature keeps everything tidy. Beside the drop-down, there's an arrow icon. Click this to toggle between descending or ascending order, and right next to that you'll find a grid icon. Clicking it lets you change the layout of your images and GIFs, switching between thumbnail views or list formats depending on your preference. Now, if you want to edit your image or GIFs, hover over the file you'd like to modify and click the three dots that appear on it. From the menu that pops up, select Edit. This action will open an editor for your image directly within MailerLite, giving you access to a range of customization tools without needing external software. Inside the editor, you'll see a variety of options to enhance your visual. You can edit the filter to adjust the mood or tone of the image, resize it to fit specific dimensions, crop it to focus on key elements, draw on it for annotations or highlights, add text for captions or calls to action, insert shapes to emphasize certain areas, include stickers for a fun touch, apply frames to give it a polished border, adjust corners for rounded edges, or merge multiple elements together. These tools give you flexibility to tailor each image or GIF to match your brand and campaign needs. Once you're satisfied with your edits, click Done on the upper right corner. Your changes will be saved and the updated file will be ready to use in your newsletters. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded, organized, and edited your newsletter images and GIFs in MailerLite. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.